Okay guys, in the garage today, and I'm basically making a video. If your parking brake light remains on and you have the Honda Africa Twin DCT model that basically has this parking brake right here, and the parking brake's not engaged, so if you start the motorcycle and the parking brake stays on but your brake is not engaged, it's if your parking brake's not engaged and the parking brake stays on, it's actually due to this sensor down here. If we can get under there, right under here, that basically is broken. So the reason why mine broke is I installed these Barkbusters, and they give you this little clip right here that you have to replace with the factory stopper. So what I did was I ordered this part right here. You can get it off of Partzilla, and let me show you how it works. It was like 20 bucks, very cheap. But this sensor right here breaks off. So when you order the Barkbusters hand guards, it actually comes with a stopper, and you have to be careful because when you install them, the stopper will push this forward and it breaks this switch off. So all you need to do is replace this switch. It's 20 bucks on Partzilla. I'll put the link in the video, and that's the part number right there, and that should correct your parking brake light from staying on. If you don't want to order a switch and you're okay with it, you could actually just come here, grab this little connector, unplug it, and your light will go off. And then when you get your real switch back, you could just plug it back in and it should come on. There you go. See? This is unplugged, this is plugged. So if you just unplug that until your new switch comes, you don't have to ride with your parking brake on. Alright, I'm going to install this, and let's see if it works. And let's flash back once it's installed. Also, it's just one little screw. It's a Phillips that bolts on this way, and really simple. So let's install it. Okay guys, I got the switch off. As you can see, this little nipple is broken off right here. Let me see if I can get a better view for you. As you can see, this nipple right here is broken off. So when you install those Barkbusters, the siding of that metal piece just snaps it right off. So you gotta be really careful that you don't snap that off. Also, when you're taking this off, it's a cheap Phillips bolt. I used a number 2 screwdriver Phillips to get it off. So I'm going to install it, and let's see if it works. Okay guys, I'm trying to show you where that switch is. So basically, when you engage the brake, you see that switch right there? It's actually right in here. If you look, that switch breaks off with this metal piece right here if you install the Barkbusters. So you have to make sure that switch is engaged, and this piece doesn't push it and break it off. So if you can see that right there, see that metal bar right there, it should switch it like that. Again, this is a $20 piece. Let's see if it works. Alright, so that again is the model number. That's the broken piece that came off. Parking brake is not engaged. Let's turn it on. The light is off. When we engage it, engage, let's put it on. engaged. Parking brakes off. On, sorry. Take it off. There it is. So that's the problem if you install these Barkbusters. Also, if you don't have the Barkbusters, that could be the problem if your switch is on. Again, you could just remove this little clip here, right there, if you want to just disenable the sensor. And there it is. All right, it's all fixed up. Parking brake is off. Parking brake is on. It works. Okay, appreciate you watching. Again, that's the part number right there. You can order it off Partzilla Honda Switch Assembly. There you go. It's actually $17.78, 20 bucks, shipped to your house. All right, check it out. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.